Hi team, good morning. So in today class, we are going to discuss about user interface. Okay. And if we have time, so we also discuss about basic configurations. So the screen size is 100. So basically, within the user interface, we can discuss about terminologies. Okay. So for example, I'm opening all, I'm selecting something here, or I'm going here, I'm typing something here. So here we have something. Okay, here we have something. So what exactly we are going to call? So in the real time, so if any task is assigned to you, or when in meeting, if customer explaining you something about the requirement, if you want to understand that, so you have to know the user interface concept. You have to know the user interface concept. Then only we can able to we can able to understand. So what area we are calling, like what naming convention we are using for this particular area, like that. Okay. Hmm. So basically, in the top menu, like we have top menu, right? So this we are calling as banner frame. This we are calling as banner frame. Okay. Maybe I will try to show you by using snipping tool.
Uh, Angie,
Yes.
yesterday I forgot to share. Save these my instance details.
It's okay. So if your instance details is not saved, not an issue. So you can go to the developer.servicenow.com website. You can log in with your mail ID and password. Then you can click on start building. Your instance will be open. Okay.
Okay, okay, got it, got it.
Yes. You can see. So here I have selected some screen. This area we are calling as banner frame. Whatever the area I have selected here, calling as banner frame. Okay. This area we are calling as banner frame. So you can see this area we are calling as banner frame. So this is instance logo. This is instance logo. So here when we hover on instance logo, it will tell us our instance name. Here it is showing us service now, service management. In older versions, so this instance name should be beside the logo in previous versions. Okay, but now they have given like this service now service management. Okay, this is a tab browser tab title. This service now is a browser tab title. This service management is a instance name, you can consider that. Okay, and next, here you can see, here you are able to see some menu like all. So what we contains within this all? When you click on this all menu, so you are able to see applications and modules. You are able to see applications and modules. Okay. So for example, you can see self-service. This is one application. Under self-service, we have many items are there. These all are the modules. Okay. These all are the modules. So for example, I'm going to another application. For example, I'm typing something like incident here. Okay. You can see under incident, we have different modules are there. Okay. So basically, when you go to the all menu, it contains the applications and modules. When you go to the all menu, it will contains the applications and modules. You can see here we have something like pin icon. Pin icon. If you click on pin icon, so this all menu will stick to the left side. stick to the left side. Okay. So this all menu, we also call it as application navigation menu. Application navigation menu. So I also have prepared one document. I will share with you that document. Okay, for your understanding purpose, you can able to see the naming conventions of each and every area. Okay. When you click on this all menu, it will open something. This we also consider as application navigation menu. So I'm just clicking on this pin icon. You can see it will stick to the left side panel. Left side. It will stick to the left side. Okay. So if we unpin, it will open and hide. Okay. This is all menu. Mm. We can come again with to this all menu. Okay. Next, first we can focus on this banner frame. Here you can see we have favorites. Here we have within the banner frame, we have favorites. So maybe few applications or modules you are opening frequently. Okay, that we will make as favorites. For example, in our training sections, I'm going to open incident form regularly or repeatedly. Okay. So I'm making it as a favorite. You can say create new incident, create new, done. Incident all. Yes, incident list two. These two I'm making as favorite. You can see these two I'm making as favorite. If you come to the favorites, you can see incident, create new, incident all. These two we make as a favorite. So in real time, if we are open, if we want to open something regularly, if we are working with something regularly, those we are going to keep as favorites, and we can navigate to those links quickly. Okay, this is about favorite menu. Okay, you can see. For example, I just make as favorite for incident form. Next, next history, next history. So within our service now instance, on regular basis, we are navigating here and here, something like that. For example, yesterday we navigated to the user profile, system properties, like that. In today class, I just open instant form, right? So wherever we are navigating within service now instance, okay, that will be captured in the history tab. You can see just now we opened instant form, right? In the history, we are able to see instant form. Yesterday we have open system properties and user profiles, right? Yes, you can see. And change password. These windows we opened yesterday. So, like wherever we navigated yesterday, it is appearing. Wherever we navigated today, it's appearing. Okay. History tab contains where we are navigating. Okay. And from here also we can navigate quickly. Next, workspaces. So basically, within our service now, we have different workspaces. So you can see CMDB workspace, asset workspace, service operations workspace. And in real time, you can also see some custom workspaces. Okay, by using UI builder within the service now, by using UI builder, we will create a workspace. For example, you can see in my current project, we are using service operations workspace, for example. Okay, so I'm just going to the service operations workspace. You can see, so it will open everything in one tab. Okay. For example, I'm just clicking on list. Wait, it's loading. Yeah, team, if anybody not understand, if you have any queries, you can stop me quickly. Okay, you can stop me quickly. Got it?
Anji, what are these workspaces and what is the use of these
Yeah,
workspaces?
so basically, workspaces like are used to, it is a user friendly, you can consider. Okay, it should be like, it will show like interactive, it's kind of interactive form service, and it should be easy understanding way to the user. If it is a, if it is in ServiceNow platform, if it is in we can consider everything should be a ServiceNow platform. Okay. So if it is a workspace view, the look and feel should be like it's user friendly look and feel. Okay, got it. And we will keep very lesser fields within the workspace view. For example, I'm just opening one instant record from here within the workspace view. Wait, it's sorry. You can see the instant form you like it's showing like this, like this. So if it is, if we go to the normal instant form, you can see it is showing like this. Okay, it's kind of an interaction, and if it is a workspace view, everything we can be open in single tab. Everything we can open in the single tab. Got it?
Okay. So it is like when we have a, I mean, when we have number of tickets or something, and we can
Yes,
open it in one place.
yes,
Regarding that ticket, we can view all the information related to that ticket.
yes, yes.
Okay. So why do we need to have these many workspaces?
Yes, so basically, we have different, uh, we can say we have different concepts, right? So we have CMDB, it's kind of a database will store assets information. Okay, for that we have separate workspace, service operations. So like we have different teams within the organization. For example, service operations is one team. For that team, so we have one workspace. Okay.
I understand.
Asset workspace for showing the assets and while working with assets. So we have separate workspace for asset. Okay.
Okay, okay, I understand. So in, for example, in Samsung, we will have number of applications like cloud, Samsung notes, and
Yes.
so many things like this. We have number of workspaces in
Yes.
ServiceNow as
Yes.
well.
Yes.
Okay.
Here you can see next. Beside workspaces, you are able to see admin. Beside workspaces, you are able to see admin. So when we go to the admin, we have different options are there. Nervous system admin, application manager, subscription management, security center. Again, here also similar to the workspaces. So related to, like for example, I'm working related to the security. So I'm an admin to the security center. Maybe so I'm using old version of service for instance, I want to visit the upgrade center. So you can say, so if you may go with upgrade management and you can say all upgrade related applications at one place. Okay, like this it will help. Next, you can see here it is appearing something like service now. Okay. So whatever the page you are opening, whatever the page you are opening within the home page, for example, within the home page, I am opening instant list here. You can see it is showing something like this. If you want to make it as favorites, as you can make. So even if you want to make particular record as a favorite, in this way, we can able to make. For example, you can say, we can able to make favorite this record. Okay, whatever the record or whatever the form we are opening, that details will be appearing here. Got it? The title. I'm just going to the home page again. Next. This we are calling as global search. This we are calling as global search. Okay. This search we are calling as global search. So basically, if we enter some keyword here, if that keyword exists in within this service now, from any table within this service now, okay, it will be retrieved. For example, I'm opening something like password. I'm just searching with password. You can say the wherever the password key available in service now tables, it will retrieve. If we want to find something, so it may helpful for us. We can say almost 17 records found. From incident records, we have three. From people, user records, two user records having the name, something like password. Next, we had knowledge articles, almost six knowledge articles having these contains this keyword, okay, password keyword, something like that. And even we have to configure like so basically we have to configure the ServiceNow tables for this global search. Whatever the tables we have configured, so if we enter the keyword, so whatever the tables we configure for this global search, in each and every table it will search for this particular keyword. Got it? This is about global search. Next. Here you are seeing some globe icon. Then I'm going to the home page. Here you are seeing some globe icon. Here you can see when I hover globe icon, it is showing something like application scope and update set scope. Okay, I just clicked on this globe icon. You can see. So within the globe icon, you are able to see application scope and the update set. So basically, application scope is so within service, we have different application scopings. Okay, so global scope, and we have other scopes like change management, you can say admin center. These all are the different application scopes available in our service now. And we will also create different scoped applications within our service now. Okay. And update set is kind of a container, whatever the work we are creating within our service now instance, it will be captured in the update set. Okay. This is about globe icon. Here you can see we have sidebar discussions. So here we have sidebar discussions. Okay. So if somebody pinging us or if somebody message you, those things will be appear here. Okay. If somebody messages you, those things will appear here. This is about a support chat or sidebar discussion. This is help icon. This is help icon. Okay. If you click here, it will open docs.servicenow.com website. You may find theoretical things here. Okay. Next. This is notifications icon. This is notifications icon. If we receive any notifications within the service now, so all notifications we can able to see here. Got it? This is a user profile. This is user profile. Again, I will go to these options later. Okay. I will go to these options later. So from the banner frame, if you have any queries, let me know. Any queries from banner frame?
No, Anji, we are ready. We are good.
Yes. What about others? Krish Reddy, Rafi, Mahesh, Maunika. Is everybody good? Yeah, team, please try to speak out.
Yeah,
Okay, perfect. Yeah, team, still again, I'm requesting you, whoever not shared our details, so please share our details. Okay.
I
Navya,
think I've sent you on WhatsApp.
yeah, you have sent,
Yeah,
please.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of time waste. So if you are not, yeah, I hope if you are planning to continue the sessions, definitely you are going to share the your details. So if you are not sharing your details means maybe for time pass you are joining the class here. So please don't waste my time. If you are planning to continue and if you are interested, you can share your details. Otherwise, you can drop out. From tomorrow onwards, I will not allow if you are not shared the details. Navya, I haven't received your details. Saitinath, I haven't received your details. Somebody joined with some mobile number. Uh, I'm just requesting you to unmute. I don't know your name. Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. What's your name?
This is Kirti Ajay. Actually, my laptop charging is down. That's what I'm joining into my mobile.
Kirti from previous batch, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah, team. So whatever the name given to me, so please join with that name only. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Next. So we have seen banner frame. We have seen banner frame as of now. Next. I'm just going to the all menu. I'm just pinning that. I'm just pin this all menu. Okay, then it will be stick to the left side navigation. Left side navigation. Now this left side navigation, we are calling it as application navigator. This left side navigation we are calling as application navigator. This we are calling as application navigator. Okay, application navigator. We are calling it as application navigator. Next. So within this application navigator, so this here we have something like filter icon, right? So this is application navigation search. Application navigation search. Okay. This is application navigation search. Okay. Next. Here you can see, for example, this is one application. This is one application. These are the models under self-service. These are the models. So again, service desk is one application. Under service desk, these are the models. Incident, this is one application. Under instance, we have many things. These are the models. Okay, got it, everyone. So what is application? What is model here? Just remember, you can see these all are the applications. These all are the applications. For example, I'm just opening self-service application. Under self-service application, we have these many URLs, models. We have these many models. Okay, we have these many models. I'm
What
just
do we, Anji, what do we do this with these applications and modules?
so for these applications and modules for navigating to something in the service now. For example, if I want to open incident form, yes, from here itself only we have to navigate. Got it? If we want to navigate somewhere, we will use this.
Okay, and you showed some number of applications, no? What are those applications? My connected apps. Yeah,
Yeah,
these one.
yeah, these are
System.
the different applications. Okay. So for
So
example,
we
if I'm opening system UI, you can see within the system UI, these all are the models, themes, field styles, something like that. System updates it. You can see if you open the system updates it, under system updates it, we have these many modules. If I open system user guide, we have these many modules. If I
so we need
open user administration, so
so
these are, yeah.
we will learn all about these applications. No? I
Yes,
mean,
yes, I cannot say we will learn all the applications. It's not like that. As per syllabus, whatever the things required for our training or with the 3 years experience, we will discuss in that class. Okay.
okay. So in
Depending on,
companies,
yeah, yeah, depending upon the concept we are discussing, we may see different applications here. Okay.
okay.
Hmm. And we will also create some custom applications. Those also will be visible here. Okay. Going forward, maybe after 1 week time, so we may create few new custom applications. Okay. So, and
Okay.
one more thing is, so for example, here I'm opening self-service application. You can say, so besides self-service application, we have star icon. When you click on this star icon, So it will make as favorite. If we again click on star icon, it will remove the favorites. If we click on this edit icon, edit the application. If we click edit beside module, if we click on edit icon, it will open the that module page. Okay, if you want to edit something, yes, we can able to edit. Got it? Yes. For example, we have service catalog. If I click on this edit icon, this service catalog module page will open. Okay, this is application navigation. For example, you have created one application and it is not reflecting here. So this icon is for refreshing the menu. This icon is for refreshing the menu. Okay, so I'm just unpicking. Any queries from application navigator, application navigation search, application modules. This is one application. This is one application modules like this. Any queries from application navigator?
No, Anju.
No. Then we are good. So I'm just unpinning this all menu. This area we are wait. This area we are calling as content frame. This area we are calling as content frame. So wherever we are navigating within the Servicenow instance. So for example, if we are opening incident, if we are opening change, so that information you are able to see here itself. Okay. Got it. This area we are calling as content frame. This area we are calling as content frame. Okay. Now I'm moving on to the form. Now I'm moving on to the form. Maybe I will open what I can say. I will open any one existing form. Okay. You can say this is the form. This is the form. Okay. Within the form, so this is a form header. This is a form header. Okay. This here we have 3 lines icon, right? 3 lines icon. This we are calling as hamburger menu. The 3 lines icon we are calling as hamburger menu. So why we have to learn all these terminologies? For example, we are in one meeting and the client saying that you can go to the hamburger menu, you can click on save, something like that he will explain to us. We have to understand, right? So if we know this terminology, then only we are able to understand the requirement which is given by the customer. Okay. So this 3 lines icon we are calling a hamburger menu. This is a record title. I can say this record title. Record title. This is record title. Okay. These are the form header buttons. These all are the form header buttons. These all are the form header buttons. Form header buttons. Okay. So this is the attachment icon. This is the attachment icon. This is the attachment icon. So this is kind of heart symbol, I can say, like what it will contain. So if something is modified within the form, so beside to that field, you are able to see this symbol. Beside to that field, you are able to see that symbol. So this is kind of email and toggle template. One minute, I'll open that. You can see it's kind of okay. This icon is for personalize the form. So like saying that what fields you have to keep in the form, what fields don't want. Oh, this will tell. So this is a toggle template and email. Okay. From here, if you want to send email to the somebody, for example, this incident is created by the David Miller. Okay, if I want to send mail to the David Miller, you can directly click on email and you can write something to the David Miller. Okay, directly here. Okay, that is email. And you can see we have toggle template, show high template bar. You can try to observe the bottom of the form. Nothing will be there now. Now I'm just clicking on show high template bar. You can see some template bar is appearing. Okay, again I'm clicking. Then it will hide the template bar. Okay, this is template bar. You can see the activity stream. So what if we something modified, so it will appear here. It will appear here. For example, same record opened by the two-person. For example, same instant record opened by the I can say same record opened by the Chris and Mahinder. Okay, both the profiles will appear here. Okay, for example, same record opened by Mahinder and Chris. Both the profiles like this within the circle icon, like this circle. Those two profiles will appear here. What it means? These two persons are viewing this particular record. Got it? Is everybody understand? So about form header, you can say whenever we are clicking on this hamburger menu or whenever right clicking on this form header, so it will open a form context menu. This we are calling as form context menu. This we are calling as form context menu. Okay. Any queries
Anji,
form header?
yes, yes.
Okay.
So you said two people open the same thing.
Yes.
Can you explain it again?
Wait. I will try to show you something. I'm going to use the table quickly. This numbers. Yeah, so basically, if I want to show you that profiles to user records are in same page, it will appear the, for example, we have Chris and we have Mahinder, two users are there. Both the users who open this incident form from their systems, okay, then their two profiles will appear here. Got it?
Oh, okay, these two people are viewing this
Yes,
instance.
exactly. We in this particular record. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
team, this meeting will end in 1 minute. Please join again with the same meeting ID. This meeting will end in 1 minute. Please join again with the same meeting ID.
sure,
Okay.
sure.
Hmm. So any queries from form header, let me know. Like if I want to, like I'm just explaining you the terminologies. If I want to show you something, so that will be happen in the next further classes. Okay. Again, we will come to the instant form. Again, we'll come to the everything. Again, we'll visit. We just learning the terminologies in today's class. Uh, if I want to show you this.